There's no difference. We don't have that difference. They are at the end of subject. Your other matter will take some time.
If I may, Your Ladyship, paragraph 7 of
Sir, you are not paragraph 7 of
the last order, Your Ladyship.
you want us to do that, but you said you have no objection.
No, I have no. This
All
the controversy short is all I'm saying.
All right, you reserve your intelligence when you argue the matter.
Yes.
Yes. We are passing it over. We are allowing the application. So you want rather Miss Alawat is there? Let her come.
Right.
But it will reach in 5 minutes. Just say we're telling you what order we are passing in. Just say CM 46177 of 2024. This is an application filed by the non-applicant, by the applicant, what's
DTC Union. DTC Union.
Employees Union.
Right.
What's your name? What is your name? DTC Employees Union?
DTC Employee Union.
All. This is an application seeking directions to forfeit the right of the non-applicant petitioner to file a reply to 6914 of 2024. Full stop, Learned Counsel for the non-applicant union submits that the notice of the present application was issued by this court on 5th February. Notice in the present notice in CM 6914 of 2024 was issued by this court on 6th February 2024. And time was sought on that date to file a reply 2 weeks. Just saying no reply has been filed. What's the time was sought? Directions were passed to file a reply to the same in 2 weeks. Learned Counsel admits that despite the lapse of more than 6 months, no reply has been filed, and no reply has been filed. Thus, the directions being passed to forfeit the reply of filing, forfeit the right of the applicant non-applicant petitioner to forfeit the right of filing a reply. There is an exemption along with it. There is only 44178. 44178. Exemption. 44178. Yes, are making them a copy. Last order covers the other party. The reason we passed an order for that, there was other than employees union, there was another council. No, the order is very clear. That last order of 5th August is separate from this. And come on this. That last order was a individual coming forward, praying to the immediate for 312 people. As we have said in paragraph 4 and 5, that there was no wakalat, nothing, but we've given them the permission. Here you've taken 6 months, we are not giving you any more time.
They can also argue, there's no problem on
but
that.
We are allowing the application.
But they otherwise will have no legal authority because they were not party anymore.
No legal authority means what? Their rights are being affected.
No, they all have been.
This is what you're, if we understand it, this is the interstate dispute, the two of you. So as far as
their dispute is concerned with us, that should settle up to Supreme Court 3 times. This union of BDC has been agitating this matter that they are entitled to pension. That issue should be decided by the Supreme Court firstly in 2001, then second round of litigation starting from the High Court to the Supreme Court, then third round and then a full bench of this Honorable Court. We will be showing all those judgments to my lord. And these
in a compilation of the short note.
They were not party before the EPFO also, my lord. They have just come in here to agitate the same issue.
What is the plan?
My lord, we have.
Please tell us what could your possible objection be? Well, we've understood the appeal.
That is about to also make submissions, let them make submissions.
No, they are before this court in an application under 110. You have any objection? You tell us already because we are not granting anything. What is your objection?
They were not party before the authority.
Not a party before which authority?
Let EPFO.
We have very much been the party.
Well, we have a way of arguing in this court.
And the union.
They are not. The union was not a party before EPFO.
EPFO has given a notice was fighting
It is in respect of, we'll come to you. All right. Anything else? Any other?
the EPFO, because there was no issue with respect to them. EPFO was saying that DTC has not taken permission from them for
So going on the merits, your first.
marriage.
All right.
That was the issue. So far as their issue with respect to payment of pension and all is concerned, individuals are agitating the matter with respect to their pension issue. Up to the Supreme Court, some have won, some have lost. Where some places we have won, some places they have won. But the union 3 times has fought this issue and lost. So today again union is want to come in this matter and say they will be raising the same issues which they have already raised. If they want to make submissions, I have no objection, but I will show to my lord that
No, they want to be a party. The missions comes after.
well, party also, because the order is against me. Order is not against them. They cannot have some relief in these proceedings.
See, we
Therefore, pass an order against me.
you know what is counteract. We are going to, even if they are a party, we are going to give everybody limited time. And we also tell them, you make your submissions, file your written submissions. We are not going to hear them in the air.